I achieved a gold medal in the Olympics because I started to have swim lessons.
We have a heart and a passion to serve every NFL community. So today we are hosting 200 kids to come out for a swimming lesson, and our work does not stop here today. So especially for our Louisiana communities, this is our role and our part to try to prevent drownings, especially as they're the leading cause of death for children 1 through 4 and all the way up to 12 years old.
Our 5th grade students were invited by the YMCA, the NFL off the field, to come and participate, to learn swim safety, to learn CPR, and to just really get a great experience at Tulane University.
You know, for someone who, yes, has gotten gold medals, I nearly drowned at the age of 5. And so this is very, very important to me to try to make sure that more and more Americans learn to swim. I'm really excited to hop in. We're going to work on some of the core technical things like learning how to float, turning over, breathing. More importantly, it's just about understanding how to be safer around the water.
Jefferson Parish Schools is not just about the school system, but it really involves the parish as a whole. And any external partnerships that can benefit our students are always exciting for us. This is a great opportunity that they may not have had otherwise. And then really nice to be on Tulane's campus too. So they get to see that experience as well, to see what college life can be.
Pool Corp Swim Pack program is our charitable outreach program that we started approximately 3 years ago. And at the end of 2025, we will have reached over 50,000 swimmers. So we're very, very excited to be here and participate with the organizations that are here.
We're here today supporting our local YMCA, and we are leaving behind for all of the swimmers who participate vouchers for 8 swim lessons after they leave today so they can continue their swimming education.
The reason that people are not prioritizing this is because they don't have the education. Well, that stops here. You learn to walk, you learn to talk, you learn to swim. And it starts with swim lessons.
So it's really important that we're allowing our students to have access to those resources. And so it's great that not only at Bizonnet we're teaching them academics, but we're teaching them these life skills as well.